Hey gorgeous, how are you? So today we're gonna be testing the new Essence makeup products that they have released for the fall winter collection of 2023, and we're gonna see together if they are worth the money. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. I'm posting videos every week. Headband on. They have a new lip oil. This one is the Hydra Kiss lip oil, and I got the shade 1, Kiss from a Rose. This is actually what I have from the beginning of the video. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more. It is completely clear and it has a light scent of roses. It is super glossy. This one is very lightweight on the lips and not sticky at all. For primer, I'm gonna be using the Prime & Studio Poreless Skin Blurring Putty Primer. They also have a new smoothing primer, but it was sold out everywhere and I couldn't find it even in a store. So I'm gonna be using this one that I have tried again. Moving on to the Conceal Like a Pro Color Correcting Palette. I really want to swatch this to see the consistency. Okay, it feels like they're not super slippery. I'm going to just take the product with a spatula and then with a synthetic brush. And I'm gonna use this on the area that I have redness. I took some more product here. No, it's a lot. I'm taking some with my nail and we can see that it cancelled the redness,
but it looks greenish.
I have here some blue veins and also purple. So for the blue, I'm gonna take this color, the corally, again with the back of my nail because it is so much faster. I'm gonna blend it again with my fingertip because with the brush it doesn't work so well. I'm hoping it can look nice with my concealer. I look very weird. And in this area I have purple, so I'm gonna take some yellow. Oops, that's a lot. It doesn't blend very smoothly with the brush, and that's with all of the shades that I have used today. You can see that my dark circles are gone now. Okay, I like the yellow. Up next, let's find the foundation. So this one is the I Love Flawless Skin Foundation. I got the shade 20 Medium Porcelain, and this is actually the lightest shade that I could buy. It is the wrong shade for me. I'm gonna try and make it work with some bronzing. I don't have any other solution.
Okay, so wish me luck.
Oh no, it gives a very weird color. With the green color corrector, I think I look like a ghost. Oh boy. So white on camera. So we definitely have full coverage. I'm taking some more. The color is
so bad.
So far the foundation is completely matte. Then I'm gonna continue with the Stay All Day 14 Hour Long Lasting Concealer. This one is in the shade 30 Neutral Beige. This is a very nice shade for me when I'm using the correct foundation. So I want to use it and see how it works with the color correctors. And this concealer is also one of the new makeup releases of 2023. The color corrector didn't blend with the concealer. That's a plus. I'm surprised because usually I don't like color corrector products by Essence. This is an exception. I have swatched here the foundation before applying the concealer. It doesn't oxidize. That's why I'm still like a ghost. Time for bronzing. Oops. I wasn't planning to bronze today, but I don't have any other solution, and I really like this bronzer by Essence. Finally, I look like a person. Let's leave the ghost vibes behind us. It looks like I don't have a nose, and I'm trying to create some straight lines, and oops, what am I doing? Oh boy. About the foundation, it still looks very smooth on the skin, even though I have applied so much product on my face today. So I'm not disappointed with the formula. I actually like it, and most likely I'm gonna give this shade to someone because I will never use it. And now I'm gonna set all of this creamy madness with the Fix and the Last Makeup Fixing Loose Powder. The foundation didn't even crease. Oops, applied too much powder. Let's go to the eyes now. The products didn't crease so much. The packaging of this powder is super bad. I always have fallouts and I need to clean it. I want to add more colors to my face because I still look like a ghost. And I'm taking now the Bloom Baby Bloom Eye and Face palette in the shade 1 Make It Bloom. In this palette we have 4 eyeshadows and 3 face products. I'm gonna start with the bronzer and I'm going to use it all over my face. It gives a very nice warm color and it looks very soft. I've started looking like a person again. This bronzer is so beautiful on the skin. After that I'm taking the blush. Oh, it looks super pretty. It has a satin finish. Yeah, I thought it was matte, but it is satin. Okay, on the other cheek I want to use the Pure Nude Baked Blush in the shade 5 Pretty Peach, and this is a very viral product. That's why I want to use it today. And this one is more corally. It also has a satin finish and it is more pigmented than the other one because I have used less product to have this pigmentation. I'm taking the 2 shades for the nose. I like both of the blushes and the bronzer. Now I need to use the highlighter. I really like this shade. It is a light champagne. It is my favorite color to use on me. I really like the Pure Nude Baked Blush. You can find it in 8 colors. I also liked the face powders in this palette. Let's go now to the eyeshadows of the eye and face palette. I have swatched here the colors, and as you can see I have done my brows off camera because I didn't have any new products by Essence. As we can see, the dark brown eyeshadow is very dark to use in the crease, so I'm gonna take the bronzer. The nice thing with eye and face palettes is that you can use the face powders on the eyes, the eyeshadows on the face if you want. Up next I'm taking the dark brown shade and I'm hoping I can blend it out easily. Oh, it blends beautifully. It's a very saturated brown shade. I'm very impressed. Now I'm going in this light golden shade with an eyeshadow brush and I'm going to apply this on the eyelid. Okay, it's not the most blinding shimmery eyeshadow, but it has a nice color payoff. Now I'm picking up the darker golden shade with a smaller eyeshadow brush. I need a few layers of this to make it noticeable. Next I'm going with this dark brown shade and I'm going to blend this on the outer lower eye. Okay, these shades blended so beautifully, magically. Now I'm taking a clean brush and the lightest matte shade. And I want to see if this one is actually pigmented to highlight the inner corner. Okay, it's not so noticeable on me because it is exactly the same color with my skin tone. But I can see that it adds color, for example, in the inner corner. With a pencil brush, I'm taking the highlighter and I'm going to add this in the inner corner. This is actually not a disappointing eye and face palette. I can say it is definitely worth the money. The packaging is super adorable. The only thing that I don't like is the mirror. It is actually confusing to have something so thin. Not a bad product. And now I want to remove the lip oil, which looks very nice by the way. And I want to continue with this lip product. It is the Tinted Kiss Hydrating Lip Tint. I have the shade for Chili and Chill. Let's see the color. Ooh, it's so good. It looks a lot softer on the lips. It is slippery, glossy, but also it is staining the skin. I have removed here the swatch and this is the color that it gives. It is like a very thin lip oil with a lot of color. I'm gonna let it on my lips for a while and after applying the mascara products I'm going to remove it and see if I have color on the lips. The mascara products that I'm gonna be using today are the Lash Without Limits Extreme Lengthening Volume Mascara and also the Curl Fixing Lash Base. So I'm gonna use both of them on one eye and on the other I'm gonna use just the mascara and we are going to see what it's doing. Zoom, zoom, zoom. I'm gonna start off with the Curl Fixing Lash Base, and I was very surprised that this one is a black mascara primer instead of a white. So I'm going to define now the lower eye, and now I'm going on the upper lashes. I don't see something changing. This is how it looks. Oh, it says use after lash curler. I never use lash curlers. And then your favorite mascara for extra volume and length.
Oh.
Okay, what's the point of using an eyelash curler and this product? Oh well, let's go with the mascara now. I'm curious if I'm gonna have this eye-opening effect. Okay, so this is with one coat of the mascara. It doesn't look bad. I'm super curious to use it by itself on the other eye. I'm going to add just a tiny bit more product. Oh boy, this doesn't look nice. I think this is the best that I can do. My lashes are looking spidery. And now I'm going on the other eye without the mascara base. Maybe I had the clumpiness because of that product. No, I poked my eye. The formula is very liquidy and it doesn't dry fast. Again, my lashes here have started becoming
Clumpy.
I'm gonna let this dry completely and I will see you in just 1 sec. It's been a few minutes. Moment of truth. Wish me luck. A lot of the product is easily removed, but I have applied so much of it. Yeah, it is a lot easier if you have applied just a little bit of product. So try not to poke your eye. I'm gonna fix this and I will see you in just 1 sec. Finally, I'm back. It took me a while to clean this mess. And about the Curl Fixing Lash Base, I think it is pointless to use it. I don't see a big difference between my eyes. Okay, there is clearly a difference. You just need 1 coat of the mascara base and 1 coat of the mascara and the lashes are actually looking nice. I don't know what I'm talking about and why I didn't like the mascara base. Now that I'm editing the video, it looks nice. About the mascara, it doesn't give so much volume. It can easily clump the lashes. This doesn't make the cut. And let's go now to the lip tint. Where is it? It is actually now less glossy and less slippery. I'm gonna try and remove it. So I don't have much product on the tissue. It looks like it is my natural lip color. I think it looks nice. You can find it in 12 colors. They have a nice shade range. My favorite products of today's video are the face palettes. I also liked the lip oil. The lip tint is very interesting. And you can watch next my review of the new Catrice products. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!